Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a lectern in Minecraft. To begin, you will need to gather a few essential materials. First, collect 4 wooden slabs of any type, like oak or spruce. Next, you'll need 1 bookshelf, which requires 6 wood planks and 3 books. Once you have these items, open your crafting table and arrange them in a specific pattern to create your very own lectern. Once crafted, placing your lectern is simple. Just right-click on any solid block. To use it for reading, hold a written book or a book and quill, then right-click the lectern to place your story. Only written books can be displayed. Now, anyone can interact with the lectern to open the book and read its contents, making it perfect for sharing lore or instructions. Lecterns are incredibly useful for interacting with villagers. If you place a lectern near an unemployed villager, they will quickly claim it as their job site block and become a librarian. Librarians are fantastic for trading, offering a wide array of items such as enchanted books, glass, and even rare name tags. This is a great way to get powerful enchantments for your tools and armor. Beyond reading and trading, lecterns also have exciting redstone capabilities. When a book is placed on a lectern and a page is turned, it emits a redstone pulse. You can use a redstone comparator placed next to the lectern to detect this signal. The strength of the redstone signal changes based on which page of the book is currently open, allowing for creative automation and complex contraptions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.